m ọnụ n'ụbọchị nke taata ebulu onye Igbo na-ege m ntị biko tụta ntị gị ọfụma ka anyị kwuo ezigbote ihe na-enwere ihe ọya bụ anyị na-ekwu enwebụ ndị Igbo ndị Igbo ọha na eze ndị Igbo onye ọbụla bụ ịma na ịbụ onye Igbo now ị gee m ntị n'okwu because anyị niile bịa ka anyị lee Igbo ka anyị mụta Igbo. Enwere agwa ndị Hausa na-akpa of recent, some of them na-abịa na-eche anya mana na some of them maalụ ihe ndị be ha megolo ndị be ha na-ekwu dị vocal about it. They are not getting the maximum visibility a na-enweta. Ejuzi onwe gị now ịma na 2 days ago n'ime izu ụka anụ pụta na-enwe ala majiri budget leak in. So amụrụ m na Nigerian government na-eme budget for ndị ala majiri mana kezi ndị na-eli ego ahụ. An average ala majiri today nọ n'ugwu Hausa na-achọ the way esepụta ugwu Hausa ka ebuje ha na another state ka ha weje na ayọ o wepụlụ gịnị na-enwe some group of people mee gịnị that came together decide na ha ye own ala majiri as a project ohe na-ewu n'ugwu Hausa. Now kedu nke na-akpọtụ kịta na ndị some of ndị ugwu pụta wee mee gịnị na chiata back together ka ha wee nwee ike gịnị wee speak out to Nigerians and to ndị Hausa ibe ha and to ndị Yoruba and ndị na-achị achị. Kegwe ihe ọ na-agwa ha na Peter Obi abụrụ their problem. Na Peter Obi mee gịnị is never the problem. Enwekwa mgbe m kwuli ha na video say ị na-support APC, I am not against it. Mana mụ nwa na ha support APC today. How can you convince me mbia vote Olu Tinubu again for the second time? Kedide manually here nyam. See, these are the achievements of Tinubu in the last 4 years. These are the achievements of APC government in the last 4 years that requires us voting them back into power. No yabana ona Alex Oti Naketa, for example. You need the readers in the Abia State have voted to Alex Oti back. No fully most of them were their own preferred candidate, and when they are saying mana if you have put voting sake ndị Abia State pụta Alex Oti nọlụ onye ọzọ nọlụ ka amalụ ndị agha akwe n'azụ. So the manifesto of Alex Oti speaks louder than Alex Oti. Alex Oti has shown that a country can be fixed in few years. A state can be fixed in few years, in 2-3 years. Uza hanara aga say no impossible mission and a budget 3 trillions of naira, millions of naira, neighbor ego nije. Alex Oti that each state can actually generate their own money. Will they now allow their own work, not independent on their own and not dependent on external connecting to the center, so-called center hana connected to. Example. Peter Obi as a person actually go bata na power. Mana the surroundings na surround Peter Obi now is showing that he cannot enter there. Because again, the deal is not about the APC campaign. It's about then the marketing Peter Obi, which they cannot do. How try go in a way to demarket Peter Obi and to sell negative influence to them. Mana some of northern regions are still standing by their own constitution. No ye fully well na foreign de behana sakwa and Peter Obi bukwa onye Christian no ya sign kwa Biafra into law no makwa maka Biafra that nenye kwa power no ye win kwa Biafra today. They should be careful of him. Only Behina should be careful of him are the same people that are more scared of, that are willing to vote for Buhari instead of allowing Atiku into power. They are willing to vote Buhari again rather than allowing Atiku into power. Now you just who then can carry the mantle of the North? If Konkoso is that all righteous, why does he need Peter Obi to step up? Why would you need Peter Obi to step up? On now. So you not support APC again. Happy to be Akada Peter Obi is never the problem. And none of this video.
Dan Allah, let me ask a question. Why is it that some people in Nogo keep quiet their mouth? Because Nigeria is a country where any Jake and Harry will just come out and talk nonsense. Then Allah, why won't you allow the sleeping dog make a lie? One governor was Northeast before, where in name Namudu Sharif. You come out today and don't know somebody where he go talk to. Is they talk nonsense to? Is they talk to Peter Obiko? By comparison, Peter Obi is he your mate when it comes to development? Have you ever had any crisis about Peter Obi? Even when he be governor? Can you compare your antecedent with Peter Obi while he was a governor? When you are a governor in Borno State, what did they do? What did he do? We will know history, pa. We know the advent of so many things, pa. Go back a minute. We no one talking. As we no one talking, then Allah let sleeping dog lie. Go and ask for question, Modu Sharif. You see this Peter Obi, many people were find in trouble. I know where they day today. Because he has the grace. You are saying that Peter Obi will come and divide Nigeria. Have you ever heard Peter Obi talk about division? It is you that is associated to crisis, allegedly. Go back a minute. Even the deformation, the scattering of PDP today. We know history. Pa. During your time as the chairman of PDP, we people go to court. You almost destroyed the party. Up to now, since you be party chairman, up to now, PDP it never stand. Although I know they like to call the name of this party, but I have to pay some reality sometime. Then Allah Mudu Sharif, then Allah leave Peter Obi alone. Peter Obi is not your problem. By all standard, educationally, in every aspect, business, in everything, wallahi. Okay, when it comes to policy and governance, leadership principle, when it comes to every aspect of life, Peter Obi is not your mate. And Peter Obi has never come out to say any bad thing about you. Then Allah leave him alone. You know one thing? I come to realize that some people they just want relevance. Mudu Sharif, go and relax, man. For a long time we have not had you. You want relevance now. What can concern you with Peter Obi than Allah? Yeah? If by standard, Mawalai, there are some people that have caused more harm to this country. They are not supposed to be talking. Those people are supposed to be incarcerated for 1 or 2 days. But let me tell you for something. You think you are alive and things are going on well with you, but there is karma. There is karma. The harm that you people have done to this country, wallahi, you will pay for it. You will pay for it. So, then Allah is an advice. Then Allah Senator Mudu Sharif. Then Allah leave Peter Obi alone. Because that Peter Obi, where is the insult? You are trying to incite crisis in Nigeria. And Nigeria is developing. Go and check all parts of the world. Nobody is doing inciting statement like this. Say Peter Obi will come and divide Nigeria. So, but Allah, what kind of statement is that? Then Allah, I have respect for you. Then Allah, I don't want you to have audacity of talking to Peter Obi or anybody whatsoever. Peter Obi Konkoso is the answer for development. Go back about and no be to scatter. We'll know history. Wallahi, if you continue, wallahi, we'll go bring history. Then we'll go know between you and Peter Obi who is developmental and who is scattermental. Down goes.